Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to create a duet or even a full group song using Voicemod AI. Perfect for fun collabs with friends. Let's get started. First, you need to open the Voicemod app. Then on the right side, you'll see a recorder section. This is where you capture your voice. Then tap the circle button to start recording. You can sing or say your lines. You can also repeat this step for each friend's part to create a multiple layers. Then invite your friends to record their parts too. Each voice can use different AI styles like pop, rock, or robotic for unique sound blend. And go to the Sounds tab and choose beats or effects to enhance your duet or group performance. And save and share your group song on TikTok, Instagram, or Discord and more. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.